Samla puli ka Northeastern Hill University ha ka jinglam khamat ki Samla Kynthei jong NEHU Students Union kilami pat ba ha ka no phai ski jong arpau tre nai Weng arja apply ban Dawa Weng kam yo Nantu das ubabat dia ka kam kum assistant sports director but security in charge jong ni school ba halor ki nong rem jing kno bola jrong kti ya ko ka Kynthei kani ka jing jrong kti jong Nantu das ya ka Kynthei ka de hakyang nang ba guest house NEHU but kani ka Kynthei kala poisa ha ka guest house namar ka jing sha jit jong ka kum ko officer na ka banta ka Kynnoh ni le kai football jong NEHU kat kum ki khubor la ong bala kem no eu Nantu das de ki bor pulet ha ka khat khandai tre nai Weng arja arpulai banda kalyang jong vice chancellor ka NEHU professor Prabha Shankar Shukla ulakular ban pet bania ai ka kam hapo lais ngi shwa ban le ek badan kam kat kum ki kendon ka university
Down, 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 down. Nantu das down, 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 down. Nantu das get lost, get lost, get lost. Nantu das get lost, get lost, get lost. Nantu das shame, 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 shame. Nantu das shame, 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 shame. Section husband down, 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 down. Come out, come out.
So we just want to submit the memorandum.
No, you can sit down here, no? I would like to, yeah. Just. First, Jalli, I think all of you are.
What about our safety? There's a procedure for people like him, who harasses women just because he's in a higher position like that.
Yeah.
What about the safety of the students and women also? There's no
No, I can ensure my student. I am going to take the hard decision. We already taken my team is already working on it. Going to take the hard decision. Yeah.
So the decision is easy removal of
NEHU VC sign karo, sign karo, sign karo.
So your signature.
My signature? My signature is not required in this paper.
No. Sign.
Solid proof, right?
Solid proof?
This
is my office signature. So my office signature is sufficient.
Sign.
My office signature is sufficient. Please maintain and also develop this system in the north.
So, but the
Yeah, of course. That's why going to take a hard decision under the rules and system.
So there's no hard decision. It's a simple removal.
So please.
Sign.
We'll all go. We don't want to discuss your meeting. Meeting is already over, and thanks to all the students for cooperation to conduct the meeting. And this is a very crucial meeting, financial meeting of the university. Definitely, I am going to
Students want to sign.
with all due respect. If students want to do anything, I am always with the student. Not today, it's the
We'll all go.
Actually, this is not. Signature is
It is a crucial matter.
Definitely, this is a
Safety and security. So, students, in order to feel safe, we need your signature. It means something for us. Father figure in the university.
Yes.
So, sir, we need your signature.
You have to
That's all.
prioritize those matters.
It's for the emotional safety of the students here. Kindly sign. So that father figure in the university. That's my signature. Student unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Student unity, long live! Long live! Long live! Student power, long live! Long live! Long live!
Take a photo.
Long live! Long live!
Photocopy to give him the one copy.
That's our copy.
Di nakaliang jong research scholar forum ngakwa ban ong ba kane ga eke jingle jong unan tu das ka penlong ngi ki khana research ru khamtam mangi ki researcher ki babon ki bawan na ki labs ki batre ha ki lab jong ki ting te hane chu beje khari beje or dalamian so ka penlong ngi bangin feel unsafe la don kum uni ujaj breu ha kane ka yute nakaliang jong irung demand ban weng no nakakam jong kum assistant director jong ka sports department but kum chu ru bade in charge jong ka security jong ka ni hu haba nong penyat hi nong pe hi ka security jong ka ni hu ulong kum ne te ni ngin ngolong safe kum no kim ki Kynthei mo ki Kynthei ba pule ha ka ni ka university te ni demand ban weng no yu kum ba ki la ong ki ni hu su bangin aya ka license ka port ban weng no yu te ngi mangiru ngi support ya ka ta ka demand jong ka ni hu su.
This is to inform you that I, as a student of NEHU, and I have been playing college events, due to which I have to talk with the sports director, and he has called me unnecessarily many times alone. During every meeting, he has made me feel uncomfortable with his comments, and he has also threatened me regarding participation in game. I do not want to reveal my identity as I am still scared. Then he lama susu na kane ba ki khna kala ju jateng hen ki pajunut ban wan chakmat teling ba ki ne ba kila yo complain menen te khna ru kila khan ban wan chakmat ba ni nai le ka ban kam
kai ka apil jung phi man tai ki prakhna khnang ba kon ko num ja su sa nak so nang ni chakmat
ki tu ki ba ki num tieng ha ba ki ja kom ki ne ki ba ki nong wan be chakmat ban ai bi complain sa ki la dadan ba le kom kata ban ki num tieng ba kin one page kia but bagian ai
komplain nila management action ya kita ki believe ki balik kum kita ki kam and ni wa ban ong ba ha ko ka campus ni ba ini ban thungi ki believe do biang ki ba ban e propose ku security in charge knang mangi in smosh ngai ha ko ka university jong
hatu pi bu puan em ba ta yu bisi ba du nang kam no
oh ha po slides ni ki ban remove no ya uni nantu das na ki post barong ha po university
Sinagalan ko pili gusto ko sa kaiga jing Dawa university.
Ni Dawa ya university ya administration ba kin remove no. Mar ya una ko ka post yo but because kin nim dan jakaya ko mutu jat bri ka university.
Penjak buram om tang ya hero kadi penjak buram ya university berok kuai di kena berok kuai pada kinong hikai berok kuai de ni kum ka ni husung yang hangi bat pendram jur ya unan das ya kini kijingle jo
And yang jaga jing school lam ru ya ita bala Shah Thombor ha unan das.